Welcome to CamThink Use Case Sharing. Let's do it in 5 steps. 1. Install the NE301. 2. Configure the network and MQTT data forwarding. 3. Collect the images, train and quantize the model. 4. Verify and deploy the new model. 5. Configure the Home Assist applications. Firstly, install CamThink NE301 correctly. Press and hold the button for 2 or 3 seconds to activate the Wi-Fi. Input the default IP address 192.168.10.10. Input the default password. Hi CamThink. You will see the live view with detailed settings. Navigate to System Settings to connect the network. In this example, we will use Wi-Fi connections. If you have the cellular model, please input the carrier's information. Navigate to Application Management to configure where to forward the data and picture. Input the details of your own MQTT broker or AI Tool Stack server. Log in your own AI Tool Stack server. Create a new project. In this use case, we want to monitor the warehouse shelf status. Open this project and bind the device. You will need to create this device firstly. You will see the pictures of the shelf will uplink as configured. You can also upload your own pictures for model training. Create the class here. Let's name it as chipset. Choose the proper type to tag the object. Let's do it one by one. You can also upload the dataset if you have it. Click Train Model to start the training. Click New Training to create a new task. Keep all the default settings. Then start the training. It will take a little while. To deploy the model into NE301, we need to quantize it. Click it to start. You can keep the default settings here. It takes a little while to finish it. The last package is needed. Click to download it. You can also test the model here to confirm if all good. Now let's back to the device to update the new model. You will see the chipset on the shelf is recognized well. Now let's start the application in Home Assistant. Open the devices and services to install the MQTT integration. Choose the second one and input the MQTT broker configured in NE301. Submit to save it. Create the MQTT device here step by step. Keep the other settings to be default. Choose type number and input the entity name here. Keep these settings to be empty. Input the MQTT specific details here correctly. especially the downlink and uplink topic. And the value template. More details about how to set the value template, you can visit Home Assistant website or contact us. Click Next and save it. The first entity about the beverages number is created well. Let's create the second entity about the name. Just follow the same steps as previously. Input the value template of the name. Save it. Now we can see the activity with the values correctly. Now let's take some chipset out from the shelf to test it. The values are updated in Home Assistant for stock management. Thanks for your watching.